Coming at us now, the Tony Noske, Gary Rush, Kalari Transport Commodore. It's climbed up through the field, up to 13th now. Gary Rush, of course, well known to sprint car devotees across Australia. 7 times national champion. He's won just about every major classic in Australia and some of the really big ones in the United States. A very creditable performance. At the moment, Tony Noske in the number 26 car.
They started from 34th position on the grid. They have not encountered anywhere near the dramas that some of the other teams have experienced here today. And so circulating in 13th position, that's pretty good.
86.67 average speed.
Just in behind them, car 35, Madeki and Smith's Oxo Sierra, the one that led the race for a period earlier today, but after some electrical problems just went off the boil, to coin a phrase, and puts them in 25th position at this stage.
Interesting, that might seem very slow average. It threw me for a moment. 86 point something kilometres an hour. Don't forget all the pit stops and the pace car laps, so the lap average is going to be down anyway. But just the same, they're still there, they're still climbing, and there are still Commodore.
On the front-running Texaco Sierras of Steve Sober and Klaus Niedzwitz, and done it well, as have Noske and Rush. And in the 26 Kalari Commodore.
Okay, let's recap the placings for you as of this very moment. Lap 117. Steve Sober continues to lead the race on the same lap. The combination of Niedzwitz and Ludwig in the second Texaco car. Third, Glenn Seaton and Bauer. They're 2 laps down. Followed by Fury and Shield, the same number down. Chicotto and Brancatelli are 5th on the road. 6, Brock, Crook and McLeod in the Mobile Commodore. They're 2. Then Jimmy Richards and Tony Longhurst, -3. 41, Brabham and Fangio also.